cut my hair. So if you guys, any of you guys watching my other videos, you guys know that I was really want to cut my hair, and I ended up couldn't do it because the hair salon that I've always go with was closed due to COVID. I was really tried to looking for a good scissor after that, but I couldn't. And then this is what I got. I found it. It's from my husband haircut kit, I believe so. So I just use it to cut my hair today. Let's jump right into it. I'm gonna brush through my hair a little bit. By the way, do you guys see my eyebrow? I have just finished the second time the retouch, the touch up. It still look very different, very solid, but after a couple of days it will peel off and it will be look natural. I have very long hair, and I believe that I stick to this hairstyle for quite a long time, like since I was in high school. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring all of my hair up here. Before I do this, I did a little bit of research, and I saw that this technique people use it lately a lot those days. So wow, it's actually worked. I decided to go a little bit shorter than this, so this should be okay, right? I don't really mind that, you know, my hair is look short after I cut it. Of course it has to be short because we cut it, right? Really funny. Do I low key make it worse? Okay, that's okay. Now I'm gonna take it off to check if I'm okay with the length. Oh. Wow, I feel much lighter. Is that just mentally, or is that for real? It's lighter because I just cut this much of the hair. I used the lid and give Chris a little bit, a quick brush. Oh my god, I don't think this is look okay. Just this. I don't know. I'm okay with this. Maybe a little bit shorter. Don't you guys think? Maybe go over here. Wow. Wow, I didn't know that my hair is thick. Hmm. Sometimes if you feel heavy. To cut your hair, I really I recommend that you do it at home if you can't go out, but make sure you do some research and find out what technique is is comfortable for you. But honestly, this is like a DIY thing, so I don't know. I don't think there's other ways better than this way. Like, but the easiest way is just like a blunt cut. Just do like a straight line, and that's it. That is it. You don't have to do a point cut. You don't have to layers. And now, see this label. I'm gonna do the top part, which is the part that I'm really scared of because now my hair is short and my third part is still long. Oh, actually it's still good. Wow, it's like much lighter, guys. this much hair. Hey guys, so I have just washed my hair after my haircut, and I'm gonna show you guys really quick how I style my hair with this Revlon straightener. I bought this for quite a long time, like maybe for like 6 years ago, I guess. Really quick style my hair, and this is like a really quick and easy way to do your hair. Every single thing everybody do hair every single day, but every other 2 days after you shower your hair, after you wash your hair, I'm gonna turn it on 20s. It has 25 levels, so I'm on 20s, and literally I'm just gonna do C-curl all around my head. How do you guys think about my eyebrow? Does it look good? I hope that when it's peeled off, the color is lighter. That's pretty much the front of my hair. One time that I bleached my hair and it's turned out I had to cut all my hair off until my chin, and I was really sad because I don't look good with short hair. And also, as long as you make the C curve at the end, it will turn out nice. Like a curling bangs, like you can do like this. There's so many ways to do bangs right now, so you can do like this. And it's going to be go all the way out, yeah. Or you can just do like me, just straighten it off, and give it curl at the end. I'm gonna apply a little bit of oil. You can keep it up, or you can do like this. It's pretty much it. I hope you see you guys next time.